How to make a bedroom out of a pickup truck. Start with an empty truck bed. This folds up. First step, add the sleeping bags, stacking them on top of each other. In this case, I have 3. Next, add a pillow. This bag is a nylon hiking bag. Stuffed with just sheets and stuff like that to give it filling. Place the pillow in this position against the back wall of the truck bed and on top of the sleeping bags. Use an additional sleeping bag for covering up at night, especially in colder weather. Next, establish a specific place for everything. Put my clothes and shoes and everything else I might have used as clothing articles during the day over here. That's my clothes closet section. Right on the left side here, as pictured. Next, start loading the items that will make it convenient for me to sleep all night without my having to get up and get out of my truck for anything, including a water bottle and a portable urinal. My urinal goes all the way back in that corner. My water bottle goes right there. Extra items like chapstick can go on top of the wheel well, using the grooves to hold them in place. Another nicety is my voice recorder. I do a lot of dictating and take a lot of notes, and so I put that here for me to use any time during the night, keeping it next to my water bottle. Next is my lighting. I can use either this LED headlight or this flashlight, whichever one I choose, for lighting at night, such as when I want to check the time or use my urinal or whatever. That goes back here, and my headlamp goes here. And with that, my bed system is complete. This is what it looks like from inside, with everything open. I can also have the back gate up. I can also have the top cover down. This is what the inside looks like. Now, I can conveniently reach the latches for the rear cover right here. And this is my complete pickup truck bedroom setup. Erase this. This is what the inside of the back of my truck looks like during the daytime hours at high noon with the sun shining directly on it. Notice the light coming in through the cracks though I don't have the cover completely latched. This is probably one of the only views you'll ever get as to what the inside of the bed of a pickup truck looks like when it's latched. But I can't stay in here for very long though, because it's hot in here, like an attic. This is what I see at night when I'm lying in the back of my truck with the top down and with it completely dark outside. Of course, I don't have these lights on all the time. I just have them here to show the effect of what it really looks like in here. Whenever I spend a night sleeping in the back of my truck like this, this is what I see. This is what I see when I'm in the back. That's one of the latches to hold the top down. There's another one all the way at the end there. And then on that corner. And then on this corner. That's my portable urinal. My water bottle is over there. Normally I keep my water bottle there. Then I have a small light. Over there. Over there in that corner is where I keep the clothes I wear during the day. That's like my closet section there. And then over there, I don't have anything there right now, but that's where I keep some snack items. Granola bars, peanuts, things like that, so that I can snack on during the night if I need to. So all of this is what enables me to sleep in here for 12 hours straight without ever getting out from nightfall until the sun comes up the next morning. So that is how I use a pickup truck for my lodging facilities.